Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to download apps from App Store and facing any kind of issue related to downloads apps from App Store. So guys, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to go back and open your App Store, and guys you need to click on your main profile, and guys you need to sign out your App Store Apple ID from your App Store. And guys, after sign out you need to go back, and guys you need to open your settings. And guys, after this simply you need to open your Apple ID, and guys you need to sign out your Apple ID from here. And guys, after signing out your Apple ID, then guys you need to sign in again. And guys, after this you need to open your App Store, and guys sign in again your Apple ID in your App Store as well. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again. And guys, after this you need to scroll it down, click on screen time, and guys click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys turn off this. And guys, after this you need to go back, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And guys, you need to delete the apps that you are not using on your iPhone. And after doing this you need to go back. So guys, simply you need to click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it. And after doing this you need to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing this, the last is you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, simply you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version 17.1. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.